Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Clinique Moisture Surge 100H. It's received 4.7 out of 5 stars and over 6,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Imagine a moisturizer so advanced it keeps your skin hydrated for up to 100 hours. That's right, even after washing your face. That's exactly what Clinique Moisture Surge 100H auto-replenishing hydrator delivers. This oil-free gel cream is packed with powerhouse ingredients like aloe vera, bio-ferment, and hyaluronic acid, working together to provide deep hydration that penetrates 10 layers into your skin. But it doesn't just stop there. The unique auto-replenishing technology helps your skin create its own moisture reserve, so it stays plump, dewy, and refreshed no matter where your day takes you. Perfect for all skin types, Moisture Surge 100H absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue, just soft, healthy-looking skin. Whether you're battling dryness, dullness, or just want that fresh, hydrated glow, this is the moisturizer for you. Take the first step to transforming your skin. Try Clinique's Moisture Surge 100H today and experience hydration that works as hard as you do. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.